We'll guide you through how to access your Dropbox files using the latest methods from 2025 to 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com, log in with your account credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, you'll see a navigation bar on the left. Click on the Files section to view all your stored documents and folders. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific file. If you need to download a file, simply hover over the file name, click the three-dot menu that appears, and select Download. For sharing, click the Share button next to the file and enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. You can also set permissions to control whether they can edit or just view the file. If you want to upload new files, click on the Upload button at the top right. Then select Files or Folder depending on what you need to upload. Choose your files from your computer, then click Open to upload them to your Dropbox. To organize your files, you can create a new folder by clicking New Folder at the top, name it, and then drag and drop your files into it. This keeps everything neat and easy to find. Remember, Dropbox updates frequently, so keep an eye out for new features that can streamline your workflow even more. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.